Hello and welcome to ShaysTechAcademy. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of indexing and how it works in Python. We'll cover the basics of indexing, accessing elements, negative indexing, and slicing. What is indexing? In Python, indexing refers to accessing individual elements of a sequence, such as strings, lists, or tuples. Every element in a sequence has a unique index, starting from 0 for the first element. Indexing syntax. The syntax for indexing is sequence underscore name index, where sequence underscore name represents the sequence and index specifies the position of the element. Let's see some examples. In this code snippet, a string variable my_string is defined with the value hello world. The line print my_string 0 accesses the character at index 0 of the string. Since indexing in Python starts from 0, it will output the first character of the string, which is h. Let's take another example. In this code snippet, a list variable my_list is defined with the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The line print my_list2 accesses the element at index 2 of the list. Since indexing in Python starts from 0, it will output the element at the third position of the list, which is 30. Let's talk about negative indexing. Python also supports negative indexing, which allows us to access elements from the end of the sequence. The last element has an index of -1. The second last has an index of -2, and so on. Let's see an example. In this code snippet, a string variable my_string is defined with the value hello world. The line print my_string -1 accesses the element at index -1 of the string. As I mentioned before in Python, negative indexing allows you to access elements from the end of the string, so -1 refers to the last character in the string. Therefore, it will output the exclamation mark as the last character of the string. One more example now. In this code snippet, a list variable my_list is defined with the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The line print me_list -3 accesses the element at index -3 of the list. Again, since in Python, negative indexing allows you to access elements from the end of the list, so -3 refers to the third element counting from the end. Therefore, it will output the value 30, which is the third element counting from the end of the list. Let's talk about slicing in Python. Slicing enables us to extract a portion of a sequence by specifying a range of indices. The syntax for slicing is sequence underscore name start end, where start is the index to start from, inclusive, and end is the index to end at, exclusive. One example would be as follows. In this code, a string variable my_string is defined as hello world. The line print me_string 712 uses slicing to extract a portion of the string. The numbers 7 and 12 inside the square brackets indicate the starting and ending positions of the slice, respectively. In Python, string indexing starts at 0, so the character at index 7 is deleted, and the character at index 12 is excluded from the slice. Therefore, it will output the substring world, which corresponds to the characters from index 7 to 11 in the original string. Let's do one more example. In this code, a list variable my_list is defined as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The line print my_list 1 to 4 uses slicing to extract a portion of the list. The numbers 1 and 4 inside the square brackets indicate the starting and ending positions of the slice, respectively. In Python, list indexing also starts at 0, so the element at index 1 is 20, and the element at index 4 is excluded from the slice. Therefore, it will output the sublist 20, 30, 40, which corresponds to the elements from index 1 to 3 in the original list. For now, let's park it here and discuss lists and tuples in more details in the next 2 lessons. In this video, we explored the concept of indexing in Python. We learned how to access elements using positive and negative indices, as well as how to use slicing to extract portions of a sequence. Indexing is a fundamental concept in Python that allows us to work with individual elements effectively. That concludes our lesson on indexing in Python. I hope you found it helpful in understanding how indexing works. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials.